Let's hear from someone who stands proudly among our graduates today. With joy and pride, may we all give a round of applause to Ernesto B. Tumanda as he delivers the welcome address. Let us give him a round of applause.
To our school's division Superintendent Miguel P. Pililan Jr. Sesupay, ably represented Education Program Supervisor Sir Renanti A. Naran. Sir, to the Barangay Council, headed by Honorable Alan M. Masibay Sr., our SGC Chairman Mr. Norman Caballero, our lot donor Mr. Enovencia Islam, our Education Committee Chair, Honorable Jerry J. Galiza, our SK Chair, Honorable RBI Naparan, our School Principal, Sir Ezra L. A. Gabion, Sir, Parents National High School faculty members, distinguished guests, parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed afternoon to all. Today is a special day for all of us graduates. This event marks the end of our high school journey. Throughout our years in high school, we face countless challenges, but these struggles shape us into better individuals. While this chapter in our lives is closing, but this is just the beginning of new challenges ahead. To my fellow graduates, congratulations, we did it. I know we all experience stress from academics and a mix of emotions: joy, disappointment, tears, and laughter. As we move forward in life, let's face every challenge with confidence, courage, and always pray to God. To my dear friends, we have built strong bonds and created unforgettable moments. The day may pass, but the memories stay forever in our hearts. No more chikahan, no more burotan, no more kantaan, no more sayawan, no more kakulitan, and the most importantly, no more plastikan. To our beloved teachers, thank you for your dedication and patience for imparting knowledge with us. But beyond academics, we are so grateful for the discipline instilled with us. At times, we have misunderstood your scoldings, but now we realize that is part of your duty to shape us into better individuals. To our proud parents, thank you for your endless love, sacrifice, and hard work to ensure we get an education. Today is not just our achievement, but yours as well. Your sacrifice of finally paid off as your children reach this milestone. As Eleanor Roosevelt once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This reminds us, success does not rely in luck. It's about having faith in ourselves and what we want to achieve. We all have different dreams. Some of us want to be a policeman, a teacher, an engineer, or anything else. But the most important thing is to believe in ourselves that we can make those dreams come true. So as we stand here today, let's hold on this idea. Let us keep reminding to dream big, believe in ourselves, and to never give up on what we want to achieve. Let's embrace the future with confidence and hope. Once again, congratulations to all of us. Thank you.